What mechanism allows a developer to repeatedly refine and verify smart contract code while bypassing the formal deployment lifecycle overhead? The options are as follows. Option A, enabling development mode for smart contract execution. Option B, manually applying updates to the network-hosted code. Option C, executing the standard network deployment workflow for every iteration. Option D, conducting development and testing activities directly on a live production network.
When working with blockchain platforms, the standard process for deploying smart contracts often involves a formal lifecycle. This process ensures security and consistency, but it can be time-consuming when you are in the early stages of coding. The question asks us to identify a specific approach that lets a developer iterate quickly, focusing on the verification of code logic without being bogged down by the full overhead typically required for production deployments.
In my view, the correct answer is option A, enabling development mode for smart contract execution. This feature is specific to Hyperledger Fabric and is designed to streamline the iterative development cycle. By using this mode, the peer node does not manage the chain code container lifecycle. This means you can start and update your smart contract container independently, skipping the standard install, approve, and commit steps that would otherwise slow down your testing phase. Looking at the other options, option C describes the standard production workflow, which is exactly what we want to avoid because of its operational overhead. Option B is not a standard mechanism for iterative development, and option D is generally discouraged because it creates unnecessary risks in a live environment without actually reducing the administrative burden. As a tip, remember that development modes in distributed ledgers are strictly for testing and should never be used in production.